So day number 2. We're doing another financial decision. What are we doing?
Getting another little bike.
Well, here we go on our adventure to get another bike. So, yeah. Cut to the B-roll. Ah, yes, because I want to listen to your music as well. Ah, yes. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Well, this is the bike. In comparison to wife and car.
Gonna not break the window.
No. It's clear from everything. Real bike. Real bike.
Real bike.
This is a real bike. Fit in the passenger of a K car. Oh shit. Oh, there we go. We decided to get some food. So did little baby. He's gonna get some tacos de birria. That's his drink. His little coca.
He's getting drunk.
That was a good meal. Now let's go. Oh wait, we gotta pay. Well, this is nice. A nice little cruise with a very rattly little bike. I'm surprised it even fit in here. That's fine. Made it fit, made it work. Well, got this thing back home. Just gotta go ahead and get some brake clean. And I need brake clean, vacuum line, and I'll figure out what else I need when I get back. All right, we're here, and I remember the third thing that we came here for. Oil, not Rotella, not WD-40. I need 2 cycle. But is this really the only one I have? Ah, there it is. 2 cycle engine oil. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. Yeah. 2 stroke. That's expensive. Air water cooled. That's considered air cooled, right? Yeah, sure, why not? How's it going? Not too bad. I like how I came here for only like 3 things and I came out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. That's the life of an indecisive me. Ugh. Screws. Ugh. That's okay because I like cutting corners right now. So let's go ahead and try to I can't cut that corner. I have to take the wheel off. Ugh. 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 Okay. Alright. So it's the next day. We're gonna go ahead and try to do this again. So yesterday I figured out that I have to take off the wheel, or the back wheel at least. So let's go ahead and do that. Gotta get a Sharpie really quick. to go ahead and mark exactly where the wheel is at. Right there. And right here. So there's that. I need to go get the... Oh yeah, that's right. I need to get the brake clean. And the exhaust that I left all the way over here. Oh, brake clean. I was like, where the hell did it go? I have to not use too much of it because I still have to clean the carburetor. So let's go ahead and get that there. And this there. Alright, so I went ahead and loosened the wheel up. This bolt is nice and loosey now. Loosey goosey goosey. And I just have to loosen this little nut right here to pull this tray back so the wheel can go ahead and move up and down, or I can also take it off the track. Oh yeah, it's right here. But yeah, let's go ahead and loosen that little nut right there and get this wheel off so we can go ahead and get to the carburetor. Fun times. Alright, just like that, got the wheel out. Gonna go ahead and try to get in here to the carburetor. But since I don't have leverage to get in there, I'm gonna use the jack. Let's tighten that. Jack it up a little bit. Oh, that is way too high. Okay, hold on. That'll work. There we go. Just like that. Bike is lifted. Now I could go ahead and take the fender off and get access to the carburetor. After that, I just need a Phillips. I don't know where the drill went. This would have been so much easier. Actually, I do know where the drill went. Okay, right here. Yeah. Power tools to the rescue. 3, 2, 1. 1. 2. I swear to God, if I didn't have to do any of this to take the carburetor off. What is this? Why can't I see in there? Oh, that's why. It's all the way in there. What is going on? Why is it not going on there? Hello? Interesting. I can't take this off. I don't even know if that's spinning it. Oh, there we go. Interesting. That was weird. There's one. There's two. Boom. Carburetor is almost off. Go ahead and get these off. 1. 2. Alright, carburetor is now off. Look at that. Now I gotta disconnect. Let's disconnect. Actually, I don't even have to disconnect anything. Just the fuel line. And whatever this little... Oh, this is the prime. The prime line. Oh god. Okay. I thought it broke something. So I just opened the carburetor, but this thing looks like brand new. I think I just need to clean the main jet, but the main jet is clean. This whole thing is clean. The choke works fine. I don't think I just think they didn't get it running because they don't know how to work on the carburetor. But this carburetor is clean. You can check all the little jets again. That's clean. That's clean. This whole thing is clean. Put this back inside. Oops, right here? Yeah, that's right there. And this little guy's throttle cable goes back on in here. And then the primer line, whatever how it's called. Put everything back on. After I just inspected the carburetor, and the carburetor is perfectly fine. I was about to say figure out if I can get it running like this, but I can't get it running when the chain is completely off. So I guess in the meantime, I'll just tighten that down, hand tighten a little bit. Water bottle. Fuel. Fuel can come. That is green, not blue. So I made a makeshift little gas tank out of a water bottle. Just going ahead and connected it straight to the line since this thing is still drying. We're gonna give it a couple of cranks to see if it even has spark. Okay, I guess you can see. Show right there though. Ah yes, just knock over the camera. Oh. There's still a little bit of a fuel leak. I don't know where that's coming from. That's fine. But so far the progress I've made is getting it to start for a couple of seconds, but then it dies out. For example, it doesn't do it. Nice. Got it running. So yeah. Got it running. Got it leaking a bit too. That's not good. That's okay. Let's put this back together real quick. Alright, so right here, I don't know if you can see that. I ended up putting this washer in the wrong spot. This is supposed to be on the outside, not on the inside. So I want to fix that before everything goes wrong. So I have to take the wheel back again, Hope sprocket over there. That's down. Boom shakalaka. Put this guy over the other guy. Like that. Oh no. Why? Anyways. Shit. The only way to figure out if this really works is to put fuel in. Hey, actually, that sealed up pretty good. Let's test this out. If it wants to get back on. Yes, it does. Perfect. Fuel line is back on. So as you can see here, after it took me so long to get this all back together, I got the carburetor back on. Boom. Gasket is on. All that is needed is to put the filter back on, primer line, and then the back wheel. Put some fuel in. I should probably put some fuel in first before doing that, but let's go ahead and try this out real quick. Alright, so I wish I caught that on camera, but the exhaust just broke itself off again. These bolts weren't holding anything. I should probably do something about that. So let's go ahead and do this properly. I hope that was the screw. Okay, the head is just really strict. Super hard for no reason. Okay. Oh yeah, that's right. I need to put the chain on. Where would a bike be without the chain, right? What did it even be considered a bike without the chain? Sorry, simple questions. I don't know what I'm doing. Ah! I can't put the chain back on because I need that washer in there. Jesus. Sticking my feet in here. So like that. Okay. Put the wheel in the track. Like, oh my god, my feet are in the way. And I didn't put the fender on. Are you kidding me? Bike on the foot, on the feet, I mean. Away from where I'll hit. And hopefully this goes as planned. Does it look like it's going to? No. What the? Why is this not fitting now? I'm so confused. Okay, that side's in, but why is this side not going in? I'm confused, literally. Oh, there we go. Never mind. Really? Ah! Come on. Piece of kakaduki. Come on, I'm using my broken finger to push you out. Let's go. You have to at least work for me right there, because I'm doing that. Dude, oh my god. Come on. I'm gonna literally give up on this project, because come on, dude. Are you kidding me? How do I do this without getting mad? Peacefully. Dude, oh my god. Why? No, do not do that. Because then if you do that, I will throw myself off these stairs. Oh my god, dude, come on!
Will Daniel figure out how to put the wheel on? Will he throw it away? Will he race down towards the sunset? We'll see on part 2 of this dumb little crotch rocket. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.